Hey guys, so just wanted to make a quick little video about how I dehull my harvested coffee beans. This is, in one of my opinions, the most tedious process, or the most tedious process about processing the coffee when doing it by hand and you don't have a dehuller. So essentially, what we're doing is we have these beans like this. It'll have the hole on it. I don't know if you can kind of see, but what you're gonna do is basically, if you do it by hand, you'll crunch it up, and then the hole will come off and you'll be left with that coffee, just the bean. That's what you want, and this is what you will eventually roast. So I'll throw it in there. But how I have learned to do it a little faster is you'll take a ninja blender, put your coffee beans that have the holes on them in there, and then you'll put this on. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Alright, so we have our whole coffee beans with the hole on them in here. We'll run this just a little second at a time, like so. And then what you'll end up with is a bunch of beans and the holes taken off of them. I haven't had really much of a problem with this grinding the bean up itself. It does a pretty good job when your beans are small enough. But so let me go ahead and take this off. And so now we have this, a bunch of hole and the beans. So now what I'll do is I'll take a bowl. Grab a bowl real quick from over here. Honestly, any bowl will work. I typically will use a larger bowl than this. I'll use this bowl, but it's already full, so I don't want to put it in there. So I'll do that. Walk outside. And basically what you want to do is just blow, and all the holes will come out. Just keep moving it around, blow. So now what we're left with is hopefully just the beans. Now let me walk inside here real quick. So now what we're left with is just the beans and any of the coffee beans. Sometimes you'll get these that didn't get the hole off, so I'll just throw them back in the blender, and then I'll sort through them all and get any ones that still have the hole on them and put them in there. But as you can see, most of these are just those green bean particles. See, like this one right here has a hole on it, so I have to take that and put it back. And then any that don't, I'll just throw in my my other cup there, and then I'll keep doing this process until I've sorted through all the beans. So I hope that's helpful. It's a lot easier than, say, I've seen other people where you take like a board, or I even like some soft cutting mat, put it in between two and just roll them around and the hose will come off that way. It's another method, but I like this one. It's easy to do, fast, and yeah. So if you are struggling to find a good way to do this, hope this helps you, and good luck processing your coffee.